So next up, guys, got a nice day cab truck here. So this is a 2013 Freightliner Columbia. It's a day cab. But a good local company, guys. They do a lot of servicing, a lot of maintenance. Down to McDowell's, all the regular service and maintenance on it. So it's got aluminum rims, 60 series Detroit motor, guys, 13-speed Eaton transmission. It's got a wet kit, really good short wheelbase, showing right at 804,000 miles, guys. Air ride suspension there for the truck. Pictures of the interior and everything, but it's got heat and AC, power windows. Starts it up, seems to run pretty good. So I'm here with Brian. Brian will start it. He'll give you a good demo. Starts right up there, guys. Like I said, this is a storage company. All their trucks have wet kits on them. This one does as well. I think it's got an air fifth wheel. He'll go ahead, he'll give you forward and reverse and stuff here, guys. We kind of got a full yard here, so we'll kind of keep it pretty brief. But we'll kind of give you forward and reverse. We'll have to rev up the motor a little bit in the end too. It's be a 22.5 rubber. Rubber's in really good shape, guys. You go ahead and just rev it up. Just kind of rev it up there. Motor sounds good and healthy there, guys. They did just go through the top end of the motor. I believe he said last year, so it's pretty recently the top end overall. So nice, clean, good running truck, guys. 2013 Freightliner day cab. There's the demo. Good luck, guys. Auction time in old 20.